Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel at Health Hustle 9. Today we're diving into some quick workouts, fitness tips, and a healthy recipe to help you on your weight loss journey. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick workout. These exercises are perfect for burning calories and boosting your metabolism. We'll do each move for 30 seconds with a 10-second rest in between. Jumping jacks are a great way to get your heart rate up. Keep your movements controlled and your core engaged. Next, we have high knees. Bring those knees up as high as you can and pump your arms to keep the intensity up. Burpees are tough, but super effective. Remember to keep your form in check to avoid any injuries. For mountain climbers, maintain a plank position and drive your knees towards your chest. It's a fantastic full body workout. Great job on the workout! Now, here are a few fitness tips to keep you on track with your weight loss goals. Stay consistent. Aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity most days of the week. Consistency is key to seeing results. Mix it up. Incorporate a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises into your routine to keep things interesting and effective. Set realistic goals. Set achievable short-term goals that lead up to your long-term weight loss targets. Celebrate your progress along the way. And now for some delicious and healthy recipes that are perfect for weight loss quinoa salad. You'll need 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 cup diced cucumber, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, half a cup chopped red bell pepper, a 1/4 cup chopped red onion, a 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, a 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, optional, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, red bell pepper, and red onion. Add the chopped parsley and feta cheese if you're using it. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, then season with salt and pepper. Toss everything together until it's well mixed. Now for avocado and spinach smoothie. Next up is a refreshing and nutritious avocado and spinach smoothie, perfect for a quick breakfast or a post-workout snack. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, 1 cup fresh spinach, 1 small banana, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 teaspoon honey, optional, ice cubes, optional. Start by scooping out the avocado and adding it to your blender. Add the fresh spinach, banana, and unsweetened almond milk. Sprinkle in the chia seeds for a boost of fiber and omega-3s. Add a teaspoon of honey if you like it a bit sweeter, and some ice cubes if you want it cold. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. And there you have it. A creamy and delicious avocado and spinach smoothie. Enjoy! Baked salmon with asparagus. For our final recipe, we're making a simple yet flavorful baked salmon with asparagus. It's packed with protein and healthy fats, making it a great dinner option. You'll need 2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch of asparagus, trimmed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic, minced, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon dried dill or fresh dill for garnish. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the salmon fillets and asparagus on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Drizzle the olive oil over the salmon and asparagus. Sprinkle the minced garlic and lemon juice over everything. Season with salt, pepper, and dried dill. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. And there you have it, a healthy and delicious baked salmon with asparagus, perfect for a nutritious dinner that supports your weight loss goals. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy these recipes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy tips and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.